Hey YouTube, happy to be back with you guys again. I know it's been a long time. I appreciate your patience and the continued conversation we're able to have in the comment section. Been going through a little bit of transition with the move. We moved from one end of the state to the other. Still working on getting my shop built and reestablished, and been very blessed to have a good friend and brother firefighter that's opened his shop up. There's a guy I apprenticed under has let me move in here and do machine work in his space. So today I wanted to do a quick video about something that I'm finishing up. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. So we did a M16 Extractor installation on a Remington 700 7mm magnum bolt. Okay, just a Badger ordnance extractor. It comes with a good set of diagram instructions here. It's got all the measurements on it. The one thing that you have to account for with these that I'm not aware that you have to account for with the Seiko style extractor is the bolt nose recess. And in that drawing right there in the middle of the page, that is a schematic of the barrel tenon. It should be this piece right here where the chamber's at. And that is at about 720 thousandths from the factory, and we got to open it up to 785 thousandths so that the extractor can snap around the back into the cartridge. And I'm shooting with my phone today, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of things one-handed, so kind of forgive me here a little bit. But if you'll notice this extractor, so as the shell snaps into there, that pushes up, and from the side profile you'll see it's got to come out a good bit, snap around the cartridge. So I've got this chucked up on my lathe. Now I'm using a 3-jaw chuck because this is not a super critical feature. Okay, it doesn't touch the bolt nose, it doesn't touch the recoil lugs, it doesn't determine how straight the brass goes into the chamber, so it's not like a super critical feature. So got it here, got some aluminum jaw pads, and the barrel's wrapped in painter's tape to protect the finish. And over here I've got my spider supporting the muzzle end so it's not flopping around, and I did go ahead and dial indicate this in off of this thread protector to within 2 thousandths run out. So we're going to go ahead and get this machined out, and I'm going to do my best to film that with, like I said, with my phone. So here we go. We got our machine set. I'm going to go ahead and change my speed to 750 because this barrel is stainless, and stainless likes faster speeds. Okay, she's working. Alright, so we're going to come in, get a touch. We're going to machine that out 60 thousandths. I'm going to put some Sharpie marker in here. Okay. One thing I got to do is get my cutter here on center. sorry. Pulled you away there for a second. Okay. So all right. Now we're on center. We can get our touch. I gotta set this thing. Had to zero my dial. Right? Okay, so we're gonna come in 20 thousandths. And after I get my initial depth here, I'm going to mark it with my dial indicator there. Set up, capture my zero, and come out another 20. Okay, now we have, this is a 7mm mag case. Put it in our chamber. Take our bolt here, and I know it's still got the extractor in it. I should probably take that out, but nah. All right, that snaps in good. So I want to take out another 10 just to be safe. Okay, we're going to measure this because the spec sheet said, the spec sheet say 785. We're at 761. Okay, 762, 750. Okay, we're going to take out another 10. Just to be safe. making you guys sick with the moving around and everything. Okay. Probably not going to change anything. Should still, you know. Yep. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to cut this off here and put the barrel back on, and then I'll show you the test fit after the barrel's back in action. So, quick shameless plug here. This is my barrel vise I got from Short Action Customs probably 5 months ago. These guys are out of Ohio, I think close to Akron. Great vise. Can't say enough good about it. This is the less expensive one. It comes with, here's your receiver. It comes with a bushing kit. All your common barrel diameters here. They even send some drywall tape, because the way this works, you put your bushing size in here, you wrap drywall tape around the barrel to get your grip so you're not using rosin powder. Put your bushings in, and if you notice, there's a lobe. That's how the bushings keep from twisting in the vise. Torque these bolts down to 65 foot-pounds and go to town. It's dovetailed, and this block here you can attach to your bench, a wall, you know, your bathroom sink, wherever you want it. And then this vise just slips in and out, so you don't have the whole thing on the bench at all times. So it's a good design. I am a big fan of it. So like I said, I'm going to shut this off, and I'll bring you back as soon as I get the barrel back on the action. Okay, and we're back. Got the action all put back together. It's in the rifle. This is just a good rifle. He's got an aluminum bed block in there. Rebarreled it with a, you know, I'm not real sure what brand of barrel that is, but you know, it's a good thick profile. So anyway, we're going to put our spent casing in here. Yep, and it ejects just fine and grabs it. So if this is something that you'd like to learn how to do, I know I didn't take the time to video the process, but there's a guy, Wyoming Gun Company is the name of the channel. He's got some really good videos on there. This M16 Extractor install is one of those. I wanted to do this side of it because all the videos that I've seen about this being done did not include the machine work to make it, you know, fit inside the bolt nose recess. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Glad to be back with y'all. I'm gonna try and get more content pushed out. So this is Josh with Mass Gun Works. Hope you have a good day.